What's going on YouTube? My name is Dennis Anthony, and if you are looking to make $100 extra, guys, I'm not talking about making $1,000,000, okay? I'm not one of these crazy gurus that's gonna promise you the world and not deliver. But if you wanna make $100 in 30 days, guys, think about that for a second. $100 in 30 days. Now, I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but to some people, like especially myself, when I first started out, I wanted to be able to pay an extra $100 on my car note. I wanted to be able to have an extra $100 to go shopping, an extra $100 to go out to dinner, an extra $100 to save for that vacation. I can show you how you can make $100 extra in 30 days or less. Okay, 30 days or less, or I will, I don't know, guys, I'll shave my head if you cannot make $100 in 30 days with this simple method. Okay, here's what I would do. I would go to clickbank.com. It is one of the biggest digital marketplaces for affiliate marketers. I would sign up. I would make an account. I would look through the products that they're selling. I would choose one product that is offering $100 commission per sale, or I would pick a product that has a $50 commission per sale. And what I would do, I would go to Facebook and I would join Facebook groups related to that product and that niche, guys, okay? And what I would do is on my personal profile, I would start befriending all of these people. I would start befriending all of these people. Now, I wouldn't just spam my link out, okay? I wouldn't just spam my link out. So I'm not gonna add them and just spam my link out. But what I'm gonna do for 20 days, I'm going to like every single post out of all those people. I am going to comment on every single picture that they have. I am going to build relationships with these people, guys. And then on day 20, I am going to start either making videos for these people, showing them the product that I am promoting, or I will start to deliver them value with maybe writing a blog post or taking pictures related to what they want to know. I would figure out what these people want to know, guys. I would figure out what they want to know, and then I would solve that problem with my affiliate product that's going to pay me $100 per sale or $50 per sale. So I am looking for one or two people to sell to in 30 days, guys. I think a lot of times we get so caught up to where we're trying to make $10,000, we're trying to make $100,000. Guys, you need to start off first making $100, okay? You're not gonna make $10,000 if you can't even make one sale, guys, okay? So as soon as you make that one sale, it's going to create a downline effect, a trickle down effect, and all you're gonna do is get more motivated. And once you learn how to make one sale, you can make two. Once you make two sales, you can make four. Does that make sense? Okay, so again, let's go all the way to the back. Go to clickbank.com, become an affiliate, register for an account. It's free, you don't gotta pay anything. Go through all of the products, find a couple of products that are either offering $100 commission or $50 commission, right? One or the other. Offer $100 commission or $50 commission. I would then go to Facebook and join a ton of groups that are related to that niche, to that particular product, and then I would start befriending all of these people in that group, and I would start engaging with these guys. I would start engaging with them. I would start, befriending these people, liking their comments, liking their posts, liking their pictures, and then what I would do is I would start to answer their questions, guys. Now, when they have a question, they're gonna want an answer. When they are going to want to know how to lose weight and they're looking for a specific product, because you've been their friend for the past 20 days, they're going to take your advice. They're going to take your recommendation. Then what you're going to do is DM them a link to your affiliate link that's going to take them to the product that you're promoting. I guarantee you that you will make $100 in the next 30 days, guys. Go out. That's a challenge for you. Go out. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, my affiliate marketer's blueprint is going to be down in the description. If you somehow make a sale for $100, faster than that and you are looking for a way to set up your own landing page, a way to start capturing emails so you can keep in contact with these people, I use ClickFunnels. I'm going to put that link also down in the description, guys. So until next time, go out there and make that $100.